A number of factors contribute to the ways we connect and bond to relationship partners. Genes that are passed down from our parents can impact who we desire and how we attach to them. For example, the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC gene cluster, can be unconsciously detected by a woman, particularly during ovulation. Through a heightened sense of smell, she can tell if a man's immune system will complement hers in order to ensure healthy children. You can read about this in a book called Scent of Desire by Rachel Hertz of Brown University. The thoughts, behaviors, and emotions of our parents also weigh heavily in our romantic bonds. Michael Meany of McGill University's Department of Neurology discovered that when he switched rat pups from a calm rat mother to a nervous rat mother, the pups expressed the genes of the mother they were with and also became anxious. Conditions in our childhood environments and the children we played with help form our personal relationship behaviors. A child who is abandoned by her parents at age 3 may be far more likely to fear abandonment as an adult in a relationship than someone from a perfect home environment. Biological factors can also influence how we function in relationships. Low IQ, brain injuries, biological abnormalities, and other diseases can limit the ability to form a relationship bond. As in the case of autism, a person may not value a relationship partner above a computer or a light switch. So how we attach to relationship partners is affected by many factors. The work of John Bowlby, Mary Ainsworth, Cindy Hazan, and Philip Shaver led to the formulation of 3 basic styles of adult romantic attachment. They are secure, anxious, and avoidant. Amir Levine, in his book, Attached, elaborated on these attachment styles. I've used the foundation of this research, commonly called attachment theory, to express my own ideas of how adult relationship attachment styles can be categorized. I've added 2 poles, satisfied versus dissatisfied, and dependent versus independent. I also added a completely new category, and that is autonomous. It's my own opinion, based on skeptical observation, that no one fits perfectly into any single category, and that some people are a complex mix of all of the categories of attachment.
The following are the attachment categories I believe to be most relevant. First are the secure types. Secures are generally comfortable in their attachment to others. They tend to be confident in relationships, and they account for about 55% of the population. Next are the anxious types. Anxiously attached people can be very passionate, but they can also be obsessive and insecure. They account for about 25% of the general population. Another 20% of the population are the avoidant types. These types are either unable or unwilling to bond with other people. Next is a category that I've introduced, and that is the autonomous type. The autonomous types are generally happy in any attachment or without an attachment. They tend to adapt to whatever environment they're in, and these are statistically insignificant.